Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can auto sell your brainrots in Plants versus Brainrots so that your inventory won't be full. So basically I just go to my inventory and then there's an auto sell button. Here you can see the items that you want to automatically sell. So there's rare, epic, legendary, mythic, godly, secret, limited. So colored means you keep it gray, means you're going to auto sell it. So right now I need mythic. I know some of the daily tasks requires you to get epic and rare. That's what I'm trying to say. But I've submitted all the ones that I need. This one's mythic, so I basically just auto sell and I select rare and epic. I'm just going to also do legendary because I already have enough and I don't want my inventory to be full. So yeah, that is it. Oh, I got this just now. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.